thinking of buying a property to rent out. I think it's called BuyToLet, but perhaps you could tell me a little bit more about the BuyToLet scheme.
Yeah, basically, Steve, they're different to residentials and have different criteria, but it's an investment property. It's a buy-to-let mortgage that you require. Typically, you'd need at least 25% deposit, especially if you're a first-time landlord, not a first-time buyer, but a first-time landlord. And the deposits are usually greater because the lenders like to see more investment from yourself, therefore reducing their risk. Normally, you can take out the mortgage on either interest only or repayment, depending on what you're looking to do. An interest only mortgage would generate you more profit, but of course you're only repaying the interest each month, therefore the capital's not reducing, and at the end of the term of the mortgage you're still going to owe the same amount as what you borrowed. If you do it on a repayment basis, your payments would be higher, but over the course of the term of the mortgage you would be repaying the capital, and at the end of the term the property would be wholly owned by yourself. Repayment mortgages are in fact a lot cheaper than interest only because you're actually reducing the amount borrowing over the term, but you might not be comfortable with that because the mortgage payments will be considerably higher than interest only. There are fees and costs associated with buy-to-let mortgages, usually higher than what you would normally expect with a residential purchase or remortgage. A lender will insist on a valuation being done, paid by yourself normally, especially if it's a purchase, although there are some free valuations available on remortgages depending on the lender. The rental income must cover the monthly payments by at least 125%, usually calculated on an interest rate of 5 or 5.5%, again depending on the lender. There would be an arrangement fee. This can be typically $9.95 and can be added onto the mortgage. You would also need conveyancing or solicitors to undertake the purchase or remortgage for the property from the old lender to the new lender. This is something that we can definitely help you with, Steve. There's more information on our website and I'll be happy to assist you.